Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I will be demonstrating another Goan masala, which is locally known as Jeerem Meerem, which means cumin and pepper. So let's see what are the ingredients required to make this masala. Place all the ingredients on the grinding stone and start grinding it using vinegar till you get a fine textured paste. This masala is not used much, but you all can use mackerals or pomfret to make a nice curry out of it using this masala. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon as well. And if you all have any questions and suggestions, you all can comment below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.